Okay, so now we have loaded our video into YouTube, but how the heck do we get it into MemberVault? Well, let me show you how to do this. I'm back in my YouTube account, and there's one of two ways of doing this. So you would need to go to your video, so you go to your channel, and all your uploaded videos will be available. You can either go to click in the video, so this one that I just showed you how to upload, and you can go to these three little dots over here. Oh, sorry, share, and there's the little link. So you would copy that link, go into MemberVault where you've got your product, click on video type, so it would obviously be YouTube, and then paste the link you just copied. But if you read over here, it says take out the HTTPS youtube.com and just leave the video ID. So that would be this whole front section here. You would take it out and your video would appear. There is another way of doing it. So if you wanted to appear in your lesson text, you would need to embed it. So basically what happens is if you load it in here with the link, it will be at the very top of your lesson. So if you go to preview mode, you'll see, just let it load quickly. You will see here it's right at the top. But say now you want it to be here at the bottom. You would need to embed it. And it's very simple to do this. So if we go back to YouTube, click on the share again, and instead of grabbing this link over here, you grab the embed code. So just click on there and say copy. And then it will copy this whole code over here. Go back into MemberVault, scroll down, find the place that you wanted to put your video, and then click on these three little dots over here. And then again on the embed icon. So you click over there, and I want it at the end. So I just paste that code and click save. And your video will then appear over there. So if we go back and have a look at what it looks like on the front end, we've got the video that we've just placed at the top with a link. And then here is the video at the bottom of the lesson that we've just embedded. I hope this helps you.